How you doing, guys? Welcome. Come on, Mrs. Peacock. How are you all doing? We're here on the farm. This is so exciting. We're ready for our new show this year. Come on.
Welcome to Mr. Peacock and Friends. I wonder what Mr. Peacock will be doing today. But first I have to find him. Do you know where Mr. Peacock is? Mr. Peacock, oh Mr. Peacock.
I'm here.
Oh, there you are, Mr. Peacock. We're all wondering what you're going to be doing today.
Today, I'm going to show you some bells.
Some bells. I have a bell. Here's a bell.
Oh, that's a cute bell, Mrs. Peacock.
Yeah,
but
I like it.
Yeah, but the bell I'm going to show you is as big as you are.
Wow. That's a big bell. Do you want to go see a big bell?
I think we better show them, and I bet they'll be surprised where they're going to find this big bell.
Well, let's go look at the bells.
Let's go find those bells. Come on, everybody. Let's go.
Come on.
We are in Jefferson, Iowa, the home of a cool bell tower.
That's right, it's called the Mahaney Memorial Bell Tower, and it is 120 feet tall. We just went for a ride in that elevator. It was high.
It was so cool, you could see everywhere. Today is a perfectly clear day in Iowa to see everything around us.
That's right, it was really quite interesting to see everything from that high up, and it was fun.
This was one of Iowa's hidden treasures, and I'm so excited to be able to share this with you today.
That's right, but you know what?
What?
We need to go find some more hidden treasures.
Okay, we will.
Okay.
Now you've seen the Mahaney Bell Tower in Jefferson, Iowa.
Yeah, that's right. It was way up in the air, and they had a little bit bigger bells than this, I think.
Oh my goodness, it was. I had such a fun time going up 14 stories in the elevator to the very top floor and seeing the whole countryside. It was so beautiful.
Yeah, the view was terrific and the bells sounded so pretty. Not like this one.
No. In fact, we were enjoying eating our lunch, hearing a wonderful concert of the bells ringing. It was so enjoyable that afternoon. Oh no, not again.
Yeah, time's up. We've got to go.
Oh no, do we have to?
But we got to go. Time's up.
Okay. If that's the case, I'll say see you all later.
That's right. Next time on Mr. Peacock and Friends, we'll see what's happening on the Peacock farm. Right, Mr. Peacock? Mr. Peacock is gone. He must be off on another adventure. So until next time on Mr. Peacock and Friends, I'll see you later. Mr. Peacock! Oh, Mr. Peacock! Mr. Peacock!